Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technology Sahayak. When we want to open an app on our phone, if the app doesn't open, shows this kind of message, app stopping. Then how to solve? Guys, to fix this problem, we will follow 3 steps. First step, we will go to our Play Store. Now we will scan, and see if there are any harmful apps installed in the phone. If any illegal apps are detected in scan, we will delete them. After that we will check the app work or not. Second step, tap and hold on the app that is causing the problem. After that click on App Info. At first force stop the app. After force stop, go to storage. And clear the storage. Now go back. And check problem solve or not. Third step. Go to Play Store. And update the app. After updating check your problem solve or not. Guys, hopefully if you follow this 3 steps, your problem will be solved. Guys, let me comment, your problem have solved or not. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.